Alright, so let's see a comparison of an analysis result in both software STAAD and ETABS. Instead, I've drawn a column of having height of 3.7 meter, beam having show you this screen sketch. This height is 3.7 meter, this horizontal distance is 6 meter, and this one follow 3.7 meter. I've imposed a load of 25.425 kilonewton per meter on top of it, and beam sections are clearly defined right here. So the beam is 0.6.23 and the column is 0.45 and 0.25. This is not important in STAAD. Analyze it, getting to the bending moment diagram of beam. This one shows 44.9 and 69.5, and the column shows a bending of 21.6 and 44.9. Alright, let's keep it right here and turn on ETABS. Alright, getting into ETABS, I'm not showing you how to model this kind of structure. It's not important to define the size, as we are not considering the self-weight of the structure. I'm not considering the self-weight of the structure, but where does it come into play is right from here. If we assign an end length offset, that will be defined from connectivity, which means that, I hope that you know all these things. From the option, it means that I selected beams. Beams shall be right away connected right at the center of the column in normal FEM models. But you know, in the software, right in the software, beam shall be displaced half the distance of the column. If the column has a width of B, the beam shall be offsetted B by 2 right away from this distance. So we don't want to do that, so I'm defining a length of 0 for the beam, and same case for column, selecting the column and coming to end length offset. I gotta define the length of 0. That's all. Now if you analyze the structure, coming into its bending moment diagram, we can see 45, 21, 69. That comes to be approximately same results of that of STAAD Pro. 21 for this column, it is 21.6 and 45. 21.5 and 45. Here 69.5 in this beam, 69.5. The both values are matching, as you can see. Main important thing is you need to define the section size, and you need to turn this end length offset into 0 for matching the results.